Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable the night mode. So to get started, pull down the notification panel and navigate to the second page right here, where we will have two different night modes, I guess. One is the what you would call the dark mode, and then the other one is the what I would consider as a first kind of night mode, which was the reading mode. So the reading mode turns the screen this yellowish tint, while the dark mode turns everything into, well, dark mode, including default applications. And that is how you would enable it. And from here you can also disable it like so. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.